gym, and I thought maybe I should actually try something different, which is just spending the evening with me, because I think in the evenings that's when I do a lot of stuff, and I think maybe I'll be able to share that with you guys. I have not been really liking my body. I've not been disciplined as of late. I really hope, I didn't bring my mic, so I hope that the camera audio is doing everything that it should, and I absolutely love this lighting where I am. You guys, I'm not even trying to flex. Y'all see these muscles? Anyway, I am a bit, let me step on here. I'm a little bit bloated. You guys see that? Don't mind me, I don't shave as much as many people do. You guys see that? I look like I have like I have a belly there, okay? And I have also gone about 2 sizes up, and I'm just dealing with like a lot of, you know, changes that come with weight training and all that kind of stuff. But more than anything, honestly, I wanna take you guys on a journey of basically transforming my body. I think I'm in a space whereby I can feel confident enough to come in front of the camera and talk about things that are like, you know, that I wouldn't normally talk about, including like, you know, I mean, you guys can tell I'm trying to bring something different, you know, to my channel. New me. Sometimes, just so y'all know, you don't have to wait for New Year's to be a new you. You can reinvent yourself on the 10th of October and be okay. Okay, anyway, so I have been, you guys see my triceps? Those are my triceps. So in today's workout, I'm not going to show a lot of the workout because I know some of you guys, last time I posted a workout video, some of you guys said that it is a bit too much, it's too intense. So for today, we're gonna just work on my glute. I'm not gonna make the whole video about working out. Like I said, I still have to go shower, take off this makeup, prepare dinner. It is 8 o'clock, it's 8:07. I started this workout. I arrived at the gym at 2:07, and I probably started working out at 7, if not 7:05. So that's a good workout for me. I did some good work today. So let's go home and start dinner, water my plants. I have to make a body butter because I'm out of one. So anyway, see you guys at home in the kitchen, if not my bathroom, or watering my plants, and that is it. So for me and my muscles, ooh, look at that. Look at my shoulder definition. Oh, look at that. Do y'all see that? Don't play with me. Anyway, let us go home. Linda's making us muffins at this time of the day. That time I'm like, oh, I want to eat clean. Ganjani, if Linda's out there making muffins. But anyway, I made a casserole. It's like my healthy version of a casserole. Basically, you use eggplants instead of lasagna sheets or lasagna, whatever. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. So anyway, so this is going to the oven. This is how it looks like. It has some tomatoes, brinjals, eggplant, whatever you call it, and then red onion in between because it has a lot of flavor. I feel like my boobies look weird, but anyway, let me move back a bit. Yeah, you see that? How pretty! Wow! So it's gonna go into the oven, and then I also made like a sauce for it. So now we're gonna start. I made broccoli on the side, and I'm gonna make a chicken breast, and then we're good. Oh wow.
We're having lemon poppy seed muffins.
Yeah, they look absolutely delicious. The kitchen smells like a bakery. you take this icing sugar. Where the fuck is it? Thank you. Linda made us some lacquer dessert. Wow. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to eat this. Let's go. Hold on. Why is it katan? Wow, that looks so pretty. What only so? What only so?
You never show your face.
I'm here. Okay, here. Which one do you want? Okay.
Oh yeah. That's not shit.
This is so good.
Perfect.
This is the eating habits I was telling you guys about. I'm still gonna have dinner. Why am I busy eating half a muffin?
Because we're eating half a muffin.
What is this? This is what I mean when I say I've developed terrible habits. But anyway.
No, eat that.
Everybody, I am done. I've showered, bare skin and beautiful. Just wanted to end the vlog. Honestly, the only new thing that I did today was use my new body butter. Look at that shine, undeniable. It felt so good to put on my skin. But anyway, I don't want to make the outro long either, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to plate out and then I'm going to enjoy dinner. It is quite late, it's like freaking midnight. But anyway, it's okay because I'm set up for tomorrow, so tomorrow should be an easy day for me, because I have just kind of, went with the flow. Just if the energy was there, I was going to use it up. And I read an article that said that, you must like move a lot as much as you can. So that's what I tried to do throughout the day. And my plants are still in the bathtub, I kid you not. But I'm going to leave the window open from in the bathroom and then just let the wind, dry them up. So they should be fine, they should survive. None of them are like, hurting each other. But anyway, let me go make me some food because I'm so hungry and I'm tired. And basically this is it. This is how I'm gonna go to bed. This is the style for tomorrow. No, I'm gonna take it out in like a fro because I have been enjoying my new hair. Let me tell you, change is good. So let me go eat and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Night.